Hey there, researchers! Today, we're navigating through the protocol of the DIV031 reagent, your go-to for mastering intracellular protein delivery. Ready? Let's dive in. Unpack the reagent and you'll be greeted with 1 milliliter pipette tips, a filter with 2 tubes, and a trio of vials. First up, the DIV linker vial. Next, the lipid-rich DIV031 vial. And finally, the DIVTEC vial, where the emulsion magic happens. Start by pouring 40 microliters of DMSO into the DIV linker. A gentle vortex and spin down will set the stage for what's next. Now, grab a fresh microcentrifuge tube. Based on your protein's molecular weight, pick the linker volume. Top it up to 250 microliters using either ultra-pure water or your chosen buffer. Let's introduce the star of the show, the protein. Take the amount of protein you'd like to associate and complete the volume up to 350 microliters using water and give it a gentle vortex to mingle. Now, patience pays off. Allow the mix to incubate at room temperature for 4 to 6 hours or, for a deeper bond, overnight at 4 degrees Celsius. The outcome, a brilliant modified protein. Time for a spotlight on purification. Dilute the protein to 500 microliters, transfer it to the provided filter, and give it a spin at 14,000 Gs for 5 minutes. Repeat it twice and you're all set. Flip and spin at 1,000 Gs for 2 minutes. And behold the modified protein. Ready for action or storage at -20 degrees Celsius. Pour 100 microliters of ethanol into the DIV031 vial. Gentle pipetting ensures a perfect blend. Pour in 900 microliters of ultra-pure water into the DIVTEC vial. Bring in the energy. Transfer the DIV031 vial's contents into the DIVTEC vial. Make sure you're using the same micropipettes and tips set to maximum volume. Quick and steady actions lead to a flawless emulsion. Dial in your protein volume using the information from Table 3. Introduce the modified protein carefully, drop by drop, into the DIVTEC formulation. For volumes, check Table 3. Incubate the mix at room temperature for 4 to 6 hours, followed by an overnight period at 4 degrees Celsius. Your protein delivery reagent is primed and ready for action. Or you can store it up to 30 days at 4 degrees Celsius. For customized and optimized prototypes, you can contact us at info@diversatechnologies.com.